Hey guys, it's Alex, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY that I saw on Pinterest. And don't mind me, my voice is nasally because I'm sick, but the DIY is for room decoration, and it requires you to have a canvas. I'm using a thick one, kind of. It's the longest one that I could find. Glue dots. You need something to glue it with. Gold paper. Any type of color paper really works, to be honest, but I'm using gold. And if you're lazy, you're gonna need this. It's a hexagon hole punch by Fiskars? I'm not sure, but yeah. And to start off, Michael's has like their paper wrapped. So I'm gonna unwrap that and be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and I realized why some of them have wrapping is because this one's transparent and it's like really thin. The other ones are kind of thin, but here's the go-through of our paper. So we've got this one with hexagons. It's gold and white. This is just plain gold cardstock that I found at Walmart. This is very glittery textured paper cardstock. It's like, it doesn't come off that much, it's surprisingly, but it comes off. This like aluminum kind of gold. This other glittery gold texture, but it doesn't come off. Like it's like flat. And then this oh my god, look at that. Look at those rainbows. Alright, yeah, this is holographic, but it's gold. So what I'm supposed to do is, I like just looked at it before I came back. I'm supposed to like cut out a bunch of hexagons, and then I start on the top row, keep going down and down and down until I reach the bottom, and then I fill in like the sides, because you know, like it won't be perfect, at least I hope it, I don't know, it probably won't be, yeah, it's not gonna be perfect, but you fill in the sides with like cut out hexagons. I might just round them out, you know, because I'm too lazy to cut them all individually, but yeah, let's get going. I'm not sure how much this can handle. Let's see. Let's start with one. I'm gonna try and go into the very edge. Okay, that was scary. But look at this holographic hexagon. Okay. Now I'm gonna try with two pieces. Wait. Crap. I'm gonna try in this corner. Two pieces. Coming up. Wait, it's not lining up. Okay. I'm really scared. No, don't do this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, I don't recommend this. Wow, that was... Okay, but to be fair, I did use like they are cardstock, and I did use one of the glittery ones, but look at how bulky it is. For it to be not able to cut through two pieces of cardstock. Michael, what you doing? Or no, Fiskars, what you doing? So I'm gonna cut these all individually, and I'll be right back. I'm so sad to announce that this product is a fail. Like I don't think I've ever used a product for crafting that has hurt me this much. So the first thing was, I was most excited about this paper, but if you can tell, it wouldn't cleanly cut through the paper. But I mean, that makes a little more sense, because like, it's like really strong paper, because there's like, because at the cuts you can tell there's like plastic or something holding it together. So that made a little bit of sense. But then I came around the thinnest paper here, and it struggled so much to cut through the paper. Like, it wasn't because it was tough, it was because like I had to double the paper up, or else it would like cut it flimsily, and even when I doubled the paper up, it would like drag the paper and rip it. Like, see how easily I ripped that? Like, come on, you can do a better job. just gonna say that, like, we're down to 4 colors of hexagons because I decided not to use the other sparkly one. I like the texture one more. So I might as well just have to look for some black paper. Maybe like a black paper folder. But I'm just really disappointed. I think I'm gonna put it back in its packaging. And if I can find it at least, and return it. Because this was the one thing I wanted it for, and it failed to do its job. I just wanted to mention that. So I couldn't find any black construction paper, and you may be thinking, oh wow, he's being really dramatic, but you know, $20 isn't dramatic. But we can start. Kobe. It didn't go in.